Ever thought about the incredible science behind the things you encounter every single day? From why your coffee brews perfectly to how your phone stays charged, everyday physics is all around us, making our lives easier and far more fascinating. Get ready to discover the amazing scientific principles that govern your world. Did you know that the way a ball bounces depends on gravity and material properties? Or that the steam from your kettle is a perfect example of energy transformation? These hidden principles shape our daily routines in ways you might never have considered. Let's peel back the layers of ordinary life and explore the extraordinary physics that makes it all tick. You'll be amazed at how much science is packed into your day-to-day experiences. Understanding these concepts isn't just for scientists. It helps you make sense of the world. It also builds a foundation for future studies in engineering, technology, and even medicine. Your alarm clock buzzing is a great start to a physics lesson. Sound waves, which are vibrations traveling through the air, reach your ears. These waves have specific frequencies and amplitudes that your brain interprets as sound. When you plug in your phone to charge, you're engaging with electrical circuits. Electrons flow from the outlet through the charger and into your phone's battery. This controlled movement of charge is fundamental to all modern electronics. Even brewing your morning coffee involves fascinating physics. Hot water extracts compounds from the coffee grounds through a process called diffusion. Heat transfer, specifically convection, ensures the water heats evenly, optimizing the extraction of flavor. Consider a simple act like bouncing a ball. Gravity pulls the ball downwards, but its elasticity allows it to deform upon impact and then spring back. This demonstrates Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The steam from your kettle is a classic example of a phase change and energy transformation. Water absorbs heat energy, increasing its temperature until it reaches its boiling point. It then transforms into a gas, steam, carrying that latent heat energy with it. Walking or running also showcases fundamental physics. Friction between your shoes and the ground provides the necessary force to propel you forward. Without friction, you would simply slip, illustrating its crucial role in motion. How do you see the vibrant colors of your clothes or a beautiful sunset? Light, an electromagnetic wave, interacts with objects. Different wavelengths of light are absorbed or reflected, and our eyes perceive these reflected wavelengths as specific colors. Listening to your favorite music involves complex sound waves. These waves, characterized by their frequency and amplitude, travel through the air and are converted into electrical signals by your headphones or speakers. Your brain then interprets these signals as music. Even your Wi-Fi signal is a form of physics in action. It uses radio waves, another type of electromagnetic wave, to transmit data wirelessly. These waves travel through walls and air, connecting your devices to the internet at incredible speeds. Understanding these everyday physics principles isn't just about memorizing facts. It helps you develop critical thinking skills and a deeper appreciation for how things work. It empowers you to question, explore, and innovate. This knowledge is a powerful tool for problem solving in all aspects of life. Whether you're considering a career in engineering, computer science, medicine, or even art, a solid grasp of physics provides an invaluable foundation. It opens doors to countless possibilities. The world around you is a living textbook, filled with incredible physics waiting to be discovered. Don't just observe, understand. What everyday phenomenon will you investigate next? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Hit that like button if you found this insightful, and subscribe to our channel to join our growing community of curious minds. Let's continue to explore the amazing science that shapes our lives, one discovery at a time.